So friends, let us start topic sitting arrangements and ranking. There will be around 5 to 6 questions from these two topics and these are easy. There is no formula involved. You just need to make an arrangement and probability to solve a question. Ranking question will hardly take 30 seconds for you to solve and sitting arrangement should not take more than 1 to 2 minutes. So keep learning with Career Guide Bro. Now these are all previous year questions of CIL. So I am trying to solve them accordingly. You can also practice more and more question. So our first question is about a circular sitting arrangement. Here 7 friends are given who are sitting around a circular table. So in a circular arrangement, we'll go step by step, whatever information is given. Here is a circular table. Let's make it a bigger circle. 7 friends are there. 1, 2, all are facing center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what he's saying, A is neighbor of E and I. In sitting arrangement, whichever is given, suppose here A is given, we'll look into it from our perspective. Here is A, suppose it's me or you. A, I am facing center. So what will be my right side in this circular table? This way will be my right side. This way will be my left side. For all of these, we'll follow these steps only. So this is for your information. Now I am removing it in order to avoid any confusion. He has given us as A is neighbor of E and I. Neighbor means E and I should be at this place. Let us consider I at this place and E at this place. Now he's given O is not neighbor of I and Z. So O cannot be here. Let us suppose O is here somewhere. O is not neighbor of I and Z. So Z cannot be here also. Let us consider Z is here. Oh, it's already given Z is second to the left of O. So left of O will be second. O is not neighbor of I and Z. Who is second to the left of O? O is not neighbor of I and Z. O is not neighbor of I and Z. Z who is second to the left of O. I think there is something wrong in the solution. Let's make it again as conditions are not satisfying. 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose this is A, this is E, this is I, as A is neighbor of A and I. O is not neighbor of I. O can't be here. O no neighbor of I, O is not neighbor of I and Z. Z who is second to the left of O. O is not neighbor of I. Suppose O is here somewhere. O is not neighbor of I and Z. I cannot be here. Z will be here. Can suppose Z is here. So what is left? Left of O and has neighbor U and X. Z has neighbor U and X. They have given us U here, X here. Now let us check if all conditions are satisfied. And he's asking who's between A and O. A is neighbor of E and I. A is neighbor of E and I. Done. O is not neighbor of I and Z. O is not neighbor of I and Z. Fine. Z, who is second to the left of O. Z is second to the left of O. Yes. Correct. This is left. This is right. Z is second to the left of O. This condition is also met. And has Z has neighbor as U and X. Last one is also met. Who is between O and E? A and O. A and O के बीच में there is E. So E will be our answer to this question. So moving on to next question, which is of ranking. Rehan is younger than Ritik. Rehan is younger. Make it somewhere this. Whoever is younger will be below and whoever is older will be above. Ritik. But elder than Jayant and Parikshit. So Jayant and Parikshit are younger to Rehan. Who are elder than Avinash? These two guys are elder than Avinash. Rohit is elder than Mayank but younger than Avinash. Rohit is elder than Mayank but younger than Avinash. Rohit is elder than Avinash. Rohit is elder than Mayank but younger than Avinash. So Rohit is younger than Avinash but elder than Mayank. They have told. So who is youngest of them all? Mayank will be youngest obviously. So 30-second question is false. This is how we are supposed to do these questions. 6 participants. Now we again have a row question. Let us solve it and try to make an equation. U, V, W, X, Y, Z are sitting in 2 rows. According to question, there are 2 rows. 3 in each facing each other. They are facing each other. 3 people are there in each row. X is second to the right of Z. Suppose Z is here. Suppose Z is here. So X is second to the right of Z. Right will be this way. X is second to the right of Z. Done. W is neighbor of Y. W cannot be here. It will be here two neighbors. W is the neighbor of Y. Is sitting diagonally opposite to X. W is sitting diagonally opposite to X. W will be here obviously. W is neighbor of Y. He is given as neighbor of Y. So Y will be here. V is neighbor of Z. Neighbor of Z can be V here only. So what is left? U is left with us. U will be here. And now they have given Y is not at any of the row, end of the row. Yes, Y is in between only. V and U interchange their place. V and U are supposed to interchange their place. So V will be here and U will be here. So what is asking now? Who would be the neighbors of U in new position? Neighbor of U in new position will be Z and X. Answer. Hardly took 1 minute to solve this question. Now ranking. Ravi is shorter than Karthik. Who is shorter? He'll come below. Ravi is shorter than Karthik. But taller than Gagan. Gagan and Tarun. Who are taller than Saksham? These both are taller than Saksham. Sunil is taller than Arav but shorter than Saksham. Sunil will be here as shorter than Saksham. And Arav will be here. Who will tallest of all? Karthik. Tallest of all. These all are PYQs of CIL. This is how we are supposed to do. We are covering every topic through PYQ and concepts in our course. Five friends are sitting around a circular table. Now we have a question of arrangement in circular again. Five friends are here. Rahul is to the right of Pramod. Five friends. No direction is given, so we'll consider as inside only. Rahul is to the right of Pramod. Suppose Pramod is here. Consider is adjacent only, so Rahul is in the right. And is second to the left of Sachin. What would be left of Sachin? Second to the left, second to the left. Left will be here. Pramod will be second to the left of Sachin. So Sachin's place will be here. Tushant is not between Pramod and Sachin. Kunal is second to the right of Tushant. Tushant is not between Pramod and Sachin. Fine. Kamal is second to the right of Tushant. Okay. This arrangement won't follow. We need to make it again as conditions are being violated. Drawing again. Five friends are sitting around a circular table. Rahul is to the right of Pramod. Rahul is to the right of Pramod and is second to the left of Sachin. And is second to the left of Sachin. Rahul is second to the left of Sachin, not Pramod. That's why it was getting wrong. So second to the left of Sachin is Rahul. Tushant is not between Pramod and Sachin. Tushant cannot be here, so Tushant will be obviously here only. Kamal is second to the right of Tushant. Second to the right of Tushant Kamal will be here. Who is second to the left of Rahul? Obviously, second to the left of Rahul will be Kamal here. 1, 2. So Kamal is our answer. 32nd question. Now another ranking question. This is our last question for this. Hemant is older than Bipin. Hemant is older than Bipin. Vinod is older than Sudhanshu. Vinod is older than Sudhanshu. Mamta is not as old as Vinod but older than Bipin. Mamta is older than Bipin, so Mamta would be somewhere here in between. Sudhanshu is not as old as Bipin. Sudhanshu is not as Mamta is not as old as Vinod but is older than Bipin. Sudhanshu is not as old as Bipin. Yes, Sudhanshu is younger only. So who is the youngest? Obviously the Sudhanshu is the youngest one. 32nd answer. So this is how we are supposed to do this sitting arrangements and ranking. Hope you like the class. If you want to clear this exam in an easiest way, then follow Career Guide Bro and enroll in course. Thanks for watching. All the best for your exam.